If you've ever made pasta carbonara, you know the main ingredient happens to be bacon. But what if you want to take it up to another level? Today we'll be using smoked salmon. Mowi's Norwegian Atlantic cold smoked salmon is one of the best ingredients to make this carbonara, and this is one of the simplest pasta recipes you're going to make and you're going to absolutely adore. Let's go ahead and open up our package of Mowi salmon, and the first thing you'll notice is a little bit of marbling and this nice essence of smoke. Chop that up, set it aside, and start boiling some water. Let's cook some of this pasta up. And while the pasta is cooking, we're gonna make the base of the carbonara. It's as simple as beating up some eggs into a bowl, adding this Parmesan cheese, a little bit of fresh chives in there, salt and pepper, and that's pretty much it. Once the pasta is done, we're gonna add it freshly hot into this egg mixture and dump in that Atlantic salmon. Goodbye smoked bacon, hello Mowi Smoked Salmon. This carbonara pasta is gold.